Hey, I'm Josh with Thompson AC, and I wanted to go over a few things we love about the Daikin Fit heat pump systems. As a homeowner myself, I want my system to be quiet, energy efficient, easily programmable, and dependable. The Daikin Fit is all of those things and does them well for us. As far as noise is concerned, this thing is basically silent. It's extremely quiet, and even if we had to have chairs or something around it, we would be able to have any conversation necessary. It's without it being too loud. It's right outside a kid's bedroom, and it's my daughter's room. She never hears it. This is a fantastic system. We really love the noise, but also it's in this slim profile, which means it fits in these tight side yards where you might only have a few feet to the property line. This is what's going to solve that problem. Inside we have a typical air handler, but it matches perfectly with the Daikin outdoor system. And what makes this one so energy efficient is the fact that it communicates. So it has a proprietary language. It sends pulse technology back and forth, but all that means is that the indoor unit and the outdoor unit talk to each other to give you maximum efficiency. And boy, does it work. Another cool feature is that Daikin has a host of indoor air quality products that work with the Fit system. So in here we have a media filter that's actually installed. This is just a magnet door. It pops off really nice and easy. We have an air quality, it's like a wireless air quality monitor and sensor inside there. I've got a UV light and a ballast for ozone generation and oxidation. Basically, the air in this system is super clean, and this air monitor communicates directly with the thermostat and allows us to know exactly how clean the air is inside our home at all times. What makes this system easily programmable is the Daikin One thermostat. This Daikin One thermostat has Wi-Fi connectivity. It connects to an app on my phone, so I can manage the settings, turn the system on and off even remotely. And here it's positioned next to an old Wi-Fi enabled thermostat, but just not quite as smart, not as easily programmable. This goes to a different part of the house, but the Daikin One thermostat is what really sets this system apart for us. Well, those are a few reasons we love our Daikin Fit system here in coastal Southern California. We're able to get away with the lower end of the Fit system. I should say there's a couple different options, and the higher priced option is designed for extreme climate zones, which we don't have here. But if you live in a northern state and it gets really cold, or if you live in, let's say, Arizona, Texas, Florida, where it gets extremely hot, you may need the higher tier of the Daikin Fit system. But if you have any questions, reach out to the company that gave you your quote, or you feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to give you any information that you might need. I'm Josh with Thompson Air Conditioning. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.